Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word or at the middle of the word, like bơi, or at the end of the word, like mơ. Now let's see how to pronounce the sound. First, the tip of your tongue is placed behind the bottom front teeth. The back of the tongue is raised, but it doesn't touch the soft palate. Your tongue should be relaxed and it's centered at the midline. Open your mouth slightly. Keep your lips neutral and it stays relaxed. The last thing we have to remember about the sound that it is a long sound. So we have to prolong the sound in words like ơn, bơi, mơ. Let me give you an example. Here we have the word ơn. So you can see that in this word, the sound is a long sound, and it makes the n sound to be short. So we have to prolong the sound and shorten the n sound. And we have the word ơn. Now let's try to say some words with the sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the sound at the beginning of the word. Ơn, ơi, ớt. Now the sound at the middle of the word. Cơm, lớn, sớm, thơm, trời, lớp, bơi, mới, chơi, đợi. Now the sound at the end of word. Nơ, dở, mợ, mỡ, đỡ, thở, chợ, nhớ, phở, giờ, mời cơm, chờ đợi, chơi cờ, tới nơi. Now let's practice saying some sentences with many of the sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Thơm, mời, Sơn, ăn, cơm. Now a little bit faster. Thơm, mời, Sơn, ăn cơm. Now with normal speed. Thơm mời Sơn ăn cơm. Sơn tới sớm hơn hợp. Now a little bit faster. Sơn tới sớm hơn hợp. Now with normal speed. Sơn tới sớm hơn hợp. Mơ thường ăn cơm trước 10 giờ. Now a little bit faster. Mơ thường ăn cơm trước 10 giờ. Now with normal speed. Mơ thường ăn cơm trước 10 giờ. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.